Also new tonight, take a look at this prison surveillance video. Raises a serious question. Is this takedown a crime, or did the state retaliate against that corrections officer and charge him with a crime for speaking out? Next week, the criminal trial finally begins. Here's ABC15 Chief Investigator Dave Biskobing with more on what to expect.
All right, good morning. We are on the record in CR 2020-136-173.
This is former Lieutenant Mark Haas in court at a past hearing.
All right, this is time set for a final trial management conference in this matter.
His jury was just picked, and on Monday, his trial will begin. It's taken 3 years to get to this point. This surveillance video was from July 21st, 2020, inside Arizona's Lewis Prison. The inmate was handcuffed. Lieutenant Haas brought him over to the wall. 20 seconds later, took him down to the floor. They struggled for a few seconds. No punches, no kicks. The inmate gets up on his own and is escorted out. The other officer in the video was Assistant Deputy Warden Sean Holland, Haas's supervisor.
What were they saying here was the aggravated assault? Because it was excessive and he was handcuffed, or?
Him taking him from the wall and putting him on the ground.
That was the crime.
That was the crime.
Holland will be a witness at Haas's trial. He says they were talking to the inmate because he confronted a nurse, and in the cell he was being aggressive and in their face. He also claims Lieutenant Haas took him down because he was tensing up and starting to pull away when he was on the wall.
Do you think it was retaliation?
Oh, absolutely retaliation.
While we play it again, understand that this happened 3 months after ABC15 interviewed Haas about COVID concerns in the prison.
Here's what's happening right now. A lieutenant is blowing the whistle on dangerous conditions.
But ABC15 learned the judge will not allow the defense to argue to the jury that Haas was fired and charged because of retaliation. Records also show the judge just ordered that Haas will not be allowed to show the jury other use of force incidents that were never charged. But in past reports, we exposed multiple examples. Like this one, there's a fight between inmates. After the inmates break it up themselves, officers come into the pod. Then on the top level, you can see this officer walking with a handcuffed prisoner to his cell.
He looks to be older.
He is an older inmate. He's definitely in his 50s or 60s.
Yeah.
This is a younger man, a bigger man.
He's a
pretty
big dude.
The inmate is resisting.
Yep. Okay.
But is he resisting for a slam?
Okay, so that, right, was that guy charged with anything?
No.
Was he even disciplined?
Letter of reprimand, I believe. Now this is the supervisor.
That's a supervisor.
That's a sergeant, yes.
Closely watch what happens next.
There's no major alarm here about any sort of danger.
And they're not responding.
Yeah. These guys don't even seem worked up.
They throw him in there and then, oh, did you see that?
Yeah. What was that, a kick to the
The
head?
sergeant kicked him in the head. Right there, kicked him in the head. You know what happened to that sergeant?
What happened to him?
He only got 16 hours off. He wasn't fired, he wasn't charged.
Here's another case, but it's not officers using force on inmates, it's inmates attacking officers. We got this leaked video of a handful of inmates taking turns to pummel an officer. It lasted almost 2 minutes. Punches, stomps, kicks like this to the officer's head. It's amazing he wasn't seriously injured. We did a story about it last year and found the prison never referred charges against the inmates. Again, the prison never referred charges for this. And the date it happened is important. The inmate attack happened November 3rd, 2020. That's just 6 days after officials criminally charged Lieutenant Haas. Now back to the trial. We learned the victim will testify. He was serving a 10-year sentence for armed robbery, and internal records show he was classified as high risk with more than 30 disciplinary violations. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC15, Arizona.
Throughout Dave's reporting, the county attorney's office has denied that retaliation has played any role in the case, and they stand by the charges. Again, the trial begins next week, Monday, and is scheduled to last about 2 weeks. If you want the investigators to look into something, email us at investigators@abc15.com or call that number on your screen.